Hi everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Thursday! So, andito kami ngayon sa Beaver Dam Marsh. Sobrang ganda ng fall foliage dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tapos si Zayra. So, nagpunta ulit kami ng fast food sa favorite ni Mr. na Taco Bell. Dito kami nag-lunch. Zayra, say hi to the camera. Zayra, say hello to the camera. Hi!
Hi, camera.
Hi, camera. Say, how are you, camera? Tingnan nyo guys, oh, sobrang ganda dito. Hindi lang siya nabibigyan ng justice ng aking camera. Cellphone lang kasi yung gamit ko. Wala kasi ako sanang planong mag-vlog. Pero parang sabi ko, ang ganda dito. Pero nanggaling na kami dito before. Ayun si Mr. O, binabantayan si Zelda. Ang dami talaga naming mapupuntahan dito na ma-i-enjoy mo yung fall foliage. Ganda, diba? I see water. Gustong gusto dito ni Zayra. Basta may tubig, gusto niya. What is that, baby? Water? Water. Diba super pretty, nakaka-relax, oh. Iba yung kulay niya in person kesa dito sa camera ko. Mas matingkad siya sa personal. Kanina si Mister, sabi niya, parang gusto niya daw lumipat sa sa Oregon kasi gusto niya ulit mag-work dun sa dati niyang boss. Truck driving job din yun, kaso $10.99. Pero gusto niya daw kasi yung boss niya dati kasi sobrang kasundo niya. Ngayon kasi medyo nagkakaroon siya ng hindi pagkakaunawaan sa management. Kumbaga meron siyang hindi siya pabor or hindi siya hindi nga siya pabor dun sa parang protocol or pinapatubad ng company nila. Pinapatubad talaga. Sabi ko sa kanya, ganun talaga. Meron silang rules and regulations. And yung parang safety officer is parang siyang compliance officer, which is ganun yung trabaho ko before sa compliance. Kaya sabi ko, medyo naintindihan ko din yung yung kanilang safety manager. Kaya lang kasi parang yung basta meron silang hindi siya in favor dun sa pinapatupad nilang something. Hindi ko na i-discuss masyado, no? Pero ayun nga, sabi niya gusto niya sa Oregon na lang. Kaso sabi ko, malalayo naman tayo dun sa sa parents mo. So hindi ko alam kung anong plano niya. Ayun si Mr. Daladala niya si Zelda. Ayun. Ayun si Zelda. Love, you should just have put her in her car seat. What's that? Dada and Zelda. That's Dada and Zelda. Hey! Love, I'm telling them that you are considering moving to Oregon. She's gonna be fine.
I'm not.
You said a while ago.
Yeah, but we can't. It's not worth it.
Yeah. I was telling them that you are having issues with the management in your job.
The safety department.
Yeah.
Had nothing to do. That's useless idiots.
Hi, Zelda! Hi, pretty Zelda! Sino kamukha ni Zelda? Ako pa rin ba ang kamukha ni Zelda? Love, do you think Zelda looks like me or looks like you?
I don't know. She looks like a baby.
Do I look like a baby? I think she looks like Zayra when she was a baby. Ganyan ang itsura ni Zayra ng baby siya.
Zayda, that's not a toy.
Zayra, come here. I didn't know that there's something to go in that place. Do you think they mow this area?
Yeah.
They did? May nagmumow din pala dito. May nagme-maintain din pala ng lugar na to. Kaya pala ang ganda. Si Zeta, takbo ng takbo. Oops. Oops. Zeta, don't go in the water. No, no, no. What's that? Leaves. A while ago, I told her, say hello to the camera. She said, hello, camera.
Hi, Grandma.
I gotta go before Zelda's head gets cold.
Huh?
Zelda's head is gonna get cold.
Zelda's gonna be fine.
No hat.
They said, the lady at the hospital said they don't really need hat. Diba, Zelda? I'm gonna
Yeah,
check
they don't need a hat.
what color
indoors.
is her eyes. Look at her eyes. It's still like gray or something, but I think it's gonna turn into brown like your eyes. Love, I'm gonna show them what color is your eyes.
My eyes are gross. I have allergies.
It's brown.
Yeah.
Meron pa rin siyang allergies. Si Mr. Sensitive talaga to. Yung skin niya, yung kanyang mata, lahat. Dance, dance, dance.
Sibo.
I see what? Wow! Ang ganda ng mga dahon. Oh, nagbabagsakan. Walang tao dito. Doon kami dapat kanina sa isang area dito sa State Forest na ito. Yung basta yung mga nangangabayo yung nagpupunta doon. Kaso may tao, ayaw ni Mister. Kaya dito na lang kami sa Beaver Dam Marsh. Pero mas maganda naman dito, oh, 'di ba? Ganda ng view. 'Di ba? Super pretty. Zera, come here. Zera. What is that? Zera. Love, it's what? Still all over the place if it's the fall season. The wasp.
No.
No, they're gone.
Yes.
They're gone forever.
For
They will be
now.
back on summer or fall
Spring.
or spring. That's not a tree. What is this like? Plant. Is this a plant or animal? Plant or animal? Plant or tree?
So maybe a shrub
Shrub.
or a bush. Maybe baby tree. It could be baby trees. It's probably baby trees.
Go.
Now we're gonna make things small again in that video. Kasi Mr. Pagano, bibidyohan ako. Ito tingnan lang. Ito, ano? Si Mr. nag-aayan na naman umalis. Ang ganda talaga dito. Oh. Are you saying bye-bye? Bye-bye to whom? Oopsie.
No, we gotta go. Look what she did there.
What happened? Let me see your hands. Oh no! What happened to your hands?
She's touching ashes.
There are ashes? Oh. Ang dumi na ng kamay ni ano, baby Zeta. Do you wanna go home na, baby? Your dad wants to go home. Kakarating lang to ni Mr. kagabi. So, uwi na kami guys. And, ayun, hindi talaga kami lilipat ng ano. Oh, very good. Iba-iba ng isip si Mister. Pero ano naman talaga, feeling ko naman talaga hindi niya gusto din lumipat doon. Kasi, syempre, ang dami pang kailangang asikasuhin. Diba? From different state to another state. And East Coast to West Coast. Zayda, come here. We're gonna go home. Come on. Naku po. Nagpapahabol naman ito si Zayda. Dali. Going home na tayo. Ay. We're going home. Say, camera, we're gonna go home, camera. Say, camera, we're gonna go home. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the water.
Bye-bye, Water.
See you again soon.
Okay.
Oh, let's go. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, run. Run, run, run. Be careful. Run, run, run.